Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. While working with ReactJS app, you may get this error like Default.a.map is not a function. I am using map function to display records. Here, I am trying to extract data from images. Images is being imported from a file called images.js. As you can see, I have a const with name images, but I forgot to export it. In ReactJS, before you import something, you always need to export it. Each file in ReactJS is a separate module, and modules are always exported before importing. So here we will export it, export default images, save, and now our app will work. Give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.